What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to be going back in time a little bit, and I'm going to be telling you guys about the time that I got pulled over right after the cops couldn't catch somebody else. If I had a nickel for every time I was pulled over after the cops couldn't catch somebody else, I would have 2 nickels, and that's a little bit weird that it's happened twice, but regardless, I'm going to let the video play out, and I hope you guys enjoy.
No way, dude, that's crazy. I wouldn't let that slide if I was me. Dude, I just put in my earplugs. I got that on video. I gotta make sure to blur them out, but that was the easiest getaway I've ever seen in my life. Alright, you guys be safe. I'm then out of here. Dude, that went exactly how I thought it would go. That's so crazy. Yeah, dude, I feel like I gotta behave myself coming out of here now. I don't want to be next.
So as you can see, I was very peacefully leaving the pier when I suddenly made eye contact with another sheriff that showed up. Now, I didn't think anything of it. I got my full license. I have a plate on my bike. I have insurance. I'm like, I'm all good and legal, and I'm not doing anything dumb, so I have no reason to worry, right?
Oh, man, am I gonna get pulled over now? He won't get me just because he couldn't get the other guy. I'm just not gonna look by myself. Maybe I'll, Oh, shit. I guess right here. Yeah, he got me because he couldn't get the other guy. Oh.
Oh, it's on there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You got ID?
Sorry?
You got ID on you?
ID, yeah, it's in my pocket. You mind running for it?
You got a gun on you?
No, not.
Yeah, you can go ahead and grab it. Yeah, try to flip that plate so we can see it, alright, bro?
Oh, it's a bad spot. I got earplugs in too.
You can throw the kickstand up, you can see what I mean.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I got it like a couple weeks ago, and that's just what it came with. I just haven't gotten to fix it yet. Gotcha. Sure thing. Appreciate that, man. I know there was another guy that was going around.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys were gonna come after me.
Stay valid. Motorcycle endorsement. No violation to the left 12 and...
Appreciate that. Thank you guys. Be safe. Got my earplug back in. There we go.
It doesn't win, man.
Thank you. Oh, I can't take it with me, man. Sorry.
Alright.
Have a good night.
Yep.
Kind of wish you didn't leave me on the road like that.
So in the moment, I didn't really get to process anything that just happened there, but looking back, I think it is kind of a little sus that I was the first biker to leave and I was also the first one to get pulled over. I get my plate wasn't in the best spot of all time, but come on, man. Considering this isn't the first time this has ever happened, I don't know. I'm just glad I didn't get a ticket that time around, but...
Guess who got pulled over?
You got pulled over?
I got pulled over.
Really?
Yeah. What?
I guess that's why we do.
Hold on. The same thing I was trying to tell him is I can't hear anything.
Huh?
What?
What are they selling?
What are they selling?
Selling chocolate. I always hated chocolate.
Get a ticket?
So mysterious.
No.
Okay. Oh, okay, thanks.
Cut off my clutch.
Alright, please tell me they got paper towels, bro.
They don't.
They don't? I'm gonna go inside and ask.
There's a cop. Yo, there's a Fed right there. Federal, fellas. Federal.
Yeah.
No plate. That's no good for me. That's no good. I'm gonna go ahead and block my plate real quick while I stand here.
Nah, man, he alright. It's now appropriate time to figure out launch control.
With the blue exhaust, bro, look at that shit. You gotta take a picture.
Oh, I'm taking a picture.
Just make sure you take a picture of me sitting on it. Sit on it! You good with gas?
I'm good with gas, yeah.
Where are you guys going?
Here.
I'm gonna go to the pier, then I'm gonna leave like in 5 minutes after that. You know, I'm there right there with you, bro, alright? Me and you, Derek.
Kenny hates motorcycles, bro. I swear to God.
What?
He hates riding, bro. He never wants to do it anymore.
No, that is you. I'm riding every day.
I'm getting rained on.
Every day.
Yeah, we're getting
underneath.
soaked.
I'm getting rained on sitting underneath a fucking thing.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you hear that, Derek? Yeah, you don't got that. Sorry, buddy. Wow. You hear the engine purring? Patrick! Wait for the leader bike next year. Patrick! Wait for the leader bike, buddy.
Christian said he was coming, but I don't see him. So.
Wait till spring, buddy. Wait till spring.
Okay, okay.
Damn, bro. Come on. It's dirty on it.
I'm buying Jake's R1 in spring.
Oh yeah, totally, bro. That's definitely the bike I'm selling, bro.
And then Jake's gonna make another meme.
Come on.
I want it now.
Hey, come on. 10 grand. That's fair, right?
I want it now.
They're all yelling at you.
What did you say?
They're all yelling at you.
Who is?
Dawson and all them.
Why?
Because your light's fucking blinding them.
Oh. I guess I'll just like not leave.
You gotta push it down the block.
What was I supposed to do? I don't know. Maybe I should turn off my brights.
Yeah, dude, you can't leave now.
Is Christian coming? I guess not. Are you sure we're leaving now? Because I don't want to turn my bike on until after the last second.
Turn your brights on. Double down, turn your brights on.
Hell, look at me, bro.
I got earplugs in and I got people talking. I can't really hear. I got Spider-Man talking to me. You know, no big deal.
Damn, you got Peter Parker over there?
I'm like that, boy. I'm like that. All streets lead to your mother's bedroom.
Hey, don't talk about my mother like that, alright?
So you got.
Wait, did I actually not turn it off?
No!
Got it with the old switcheroo.
It's just that you're saving me heat, Brian. I don't have to sit here and have my bike.
I got your back, no worries.
Evan,
Yeah,
Evan,
thank you,
aren't
bro.
you a baseball fan? You should have saw that one coming.
Your bike having overheating issues?
Yeah, we're at 210.
What the f?
That's just how that bike is.
God damn.
It's a Fireblade, dude. It's in the name.
Should I try to do a wheelie with my feet off the pegs?
Yeah, it probably wouldn't be smart.
That's a great idea.
I probably wouldn't recommend it, but you know, you do you.
Brian, why don't you have a single bike that's like okay to have around the city?
Because I like to be difficult. My is hurting so bad right
I
now.
know, dude. This bike hurts my penis.
Yeah, and like literally my tip is getting like crushed viciously.
Yeah, no, that's actually like so much bigger when you're sitting right next to it.
I know.
You could totally fly a plane into that.
What even is that building?
It's supposed to be condos.
Y'all trying to move in?
Bro, that would be like $5 grand a month if you lived in there.
Yeah, they're
Cleveland
not
though? Who'd
they're
pay
ain't
$5
gonna
grand
be
a month in Cleveland?
Dude, there's
I guarantee you, because you're right in the city, it's so expensive. Yeah, it's
You're
stupid.
paying more just for it. Well, that's because it's like a lakefront.
Depends.
It's a penthouse. Yeah, it's a penthouse.
Penthouse, bro. You're paying
Yeah.
30 grand.
Yeah, no, Cleveland 10.
Yeah, not in Cleveland.
Cleveland, you max 10 grand, dude. No one paying more than 10 grand a month for a penthouse condo.
If you think that, you're tripping. There's a lot of rich people here.